Hey everyone, welcome here. Myself Sekhar Metla and you are watching harisystems. If you are watching first time, please do subscribe and support for more interesting career growth and opportunities. How to grow your life in a great way. So today I'm going to share you a few simple words which will change your life. What are those? Let's see. Learning software industry concepts which are more trending and more popular nowadays. Full stack development. So what is full stack development? And how to start and where to start and who can start? It's a super easy, I can say. Full stack development will cover all the phases of a web application or Windows application which are going to be used to develop software tools. Like a front-end development, we can say that like HTML, CSS, JavaScript and coding, Python, database like a relational database management systems called PostgreSQL and MySQL, which are most popular in the industry, and also these all the technologies and tools are open source. You need not to buy a license to learn. Freely you can download, install and start learning and exploring your career in a great way. And also a future career is a strong potential and strongly you can build yourself. Yes, if you want to learn such a topics from scratch, Harisystem is also offering a great real world examples. Every topic should cover a practical oriented way of learning experience. And also assessments which will give you a challenging like a tips and tricks to crack a real world problems. And you will be learn scratch to how to start right coding and how to apply real time concepts to your visualization is going to be making a move to software application development. These all are possible at single course. Is it true? Want to try and want to keenly understand and learning this step-by-step process with real-world concepts online course? Yes, Harisystem is prepared. A super easy industry experts tips and tricks which will be used to apply in real-world applications in the software industry to making you master in all the way. Want to try more? Find the below description link. I'm sharing with you a great course which is a great offers are also going on nowadays. Try today and create a way of path for your career. Greatly. Try today.